everyone, Tina Service here with Lead Titan, and I am super excited today to show you a new build that Maid Central has on exporting all of your leads. So if you're just getting started with a CRM and you want to be able to export your leads, I am going to show you how to push those leads out of Maid Central and into a GoHighLevel account. So let me just show you how to do that. I'm going to jump over to my Maid Central dashboard. And you're going to go over to customers. You're going to go to search leads and quotes, and you're just going to go over here and click this download all button. They have not had this before, so I'm so excited that we now have this. I have downloaded it and I've uploaded it over here in an Excel, and I'm going to take a peek at this and see if I can block out some data here. Okay, guys, so I know it's not beautiful to look at, but YouTube doesn't like me sharing all of my contacts information all over the internet. So anyhow, the sheet is here, and now if you are just getting started with GoHighLevel, or if you're a client of mine, Lead Titan, or you just want to know how to import this data into your GoHighLevel account, I have my leads here. I'm just going to jump over to my GoHighLevel account, and I'm going to go to contacts. I'm going to go to import contacts, and I am going to select contacts and hit the next button. And then it's going to ask you to upload your CSV file. So I'm just going to grab one here. Let's see. Just grab this one. It's not going to be perfect. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to find existing contacts by email, then phone? I'm going to keep that information checked. I'm going to hit the next button. And then I'm not going to scroll down too far because I don't want to have to blur out the data again. But basically, you're going to match up these fields here based on the information that it is. So let's say, for example, oh, actually there's no names in here, so that's good. So this is actually coded information, but if you would pretend that this says first name, last name, email, and phone number, you would just match that up here with first name, last name, and continue. If there's data fields that you don't want to import, you can check this button here. Then what I do is I go next, and then I'm going to name this field, and I'm going to create a smart list from it. So maybe I call this leads from Maid Central. And then if you want to pull them into a workflow, you can, or if you want to add tags to them, you can. And you can just say these are, leads or whatever they are. And then you can go ahead and do the import. All right, so I'm not going to import now just because this data is not cleaned up. But that is a really super way to be able to download your leads here, bring them over to an Excel sheet, and upload them into your GoHighLevel account. Hope this video was helpful.